Hi everyone, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you quickly this memory decks card that I created today that I'm getting ready to send out. I used this paper pad here that I hauled the other day, and it was a clearance at Michael's and I got it for $5. And so I created this little guy. I have heart dies with multiple sizes, so I just cut them out in different pieces of the paper and layered them up, and also gave them a little 3D or dimensional look to it. I used the this red tape and put it down the center of each one so that it would hold really well. And then I just added this banner piece. I took the top piece from the 12 by 12 that holds it into the book. I used that scrap just so that it would match with this here. And I put on there "do your best," and I just cut it out into a tag. Over here was a little bear, so I added a pink eyelash trim with a little gold butterfly, and I added a little bit of the rhinestone bling that I probably got at the dollar store. So that's what I created, and on the back actually has my information. I actually put a yellow piece on the back, and that's what I created. So I thought I would quickly share with you. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye.